up, y'all? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Especially if you have a Ram 2500, 3500, 45, 5500. So today I am stoked. Like I said in my previous video, and if you haven't watched it, I'll go ahead and post the card up in the top right of the video. But I did tell y'all that a mod has come in my way. Got it in the mail today as I came home from work, scooped it out of the mailbox, and voila. So I got my mod and I am super stoked. It's something that I've researched quite a bit, but it is the Power Commander. Alright, so based on that last video that I asked for your comments, suggestions, advice, I want to give a shout out to Cummins 6'7" Mike. He is the one who gave a suggestion about getting a throttle booster similar to the Power Commander. Alright, so shout out to Cummins 6'7" Mike. Also to Hard Truth, he mentioned about looking into the stealth module for my truck. I want to let you know that I definitely did take a closer look at that. There's a lot on it, a lot of good reviews. It just made me a little too nervous, so that's why I didn't go that route. Alright, so shout outs to Cummins 6'7" Mike and Hard Truth. Thanks for letting me, or giving me a suggestion and commenting as I requested. Alright y'all, so what is the Power Commander? Pedal Commander, I'm sorry. Alright, so Pedal Commander is a throttle response controller that removes response delays on your electronic accelerator pedal. Effectively, it allows your engine to respond faster so your car or truck can accelerate faster. You paid lots of money for a serious vehicle, hence the $10,000 upgrade for the 6'7". When you press your diesel pedal, it shouldn't feel like you are pressing a sponge. Alright, ours don't feel like sponge. We just obviously know about our pedal and how sometimes it can feel dead. Haven't you ever noticed that older cars tend to be more responsive? Before digital pedals or electronic pedals were giving you a response back, the Pedal Commander has 4 different control modules: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. Each control mode has 8 adjustable levels to work with, and that goes from -4 all the way to +4 for settings. Alright, these different settings are what provides drivers with unique acceleration control in their vehicles. Okay, y'all, so what comes in the Pedal Commander package? So it comes with, I believe this is a alcohol pad just to clean up the space where you're going to attach this this adapter. Alright, so you clean it before probably, and I'll go over the instructions. It's just an alcohol pad. It looks like this is a decal. Goes right here. Here is the mounting adapter for it, and then you actually have the, here it is, it's the wiring. Essentially it's just, I mean, it's one piece, it's all you need. It's got a couple zip ties, that's cool. It also has the velcro, and that's it. The Pedal Commander offers 4 program selection: Eco, City, Sport, Sport Plus. Each mode has 9 different sensitivity levels, up to 36 levels in total, and can be assessed by pressing the program button. Stock. So when all the Pedal Commander lights are off, your vehicle is operating stock. Eco mode is assessed by holding the program button for 3 seconds, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Eco mode is used for fuel savings, smoother driving, better traction in heavy weather conditions, and can also be used for off-road purposes. Pedal Commander will not be active while cruise control system is engaged. So, City mode, perfect for daily driving. Sport mode, spirited driving. Sport Plus mode, great for racing at the track. So, install time. Step 1, turn off your ignition. Step 2, if your vehicle has keyless entry, keep the key fob at least 35 feet or 10 meters away from the vehicle. The signal can give power to your system. Wait 5 minutes to give everything time to cool down. So my door's actually been open for 5 minutes. Nothing's come on or anything, so I think I'm good to hook. Step 3, locate your accelerator pedal assembly plug connection. Alright, and then step 4 is actually removing the plug on your gas pedal. So I'm going to go in under here. I got a cool light under here so that y'all can see what I am seeing. And it's going to be a little difficult. Alright, just with the amount of space down here.
So here is my diesel pedal right here. There's actually a piece up here. You see this where the tip of my finger is, right up here. All right, so I'm actually going to mount my system up here and go ahead and use the zip ties and just keep it all in house next to where the connector is. All right. And the connector is actually right there. So next I'm going to go ahead and remove the plug on my pedal. Then I'm going to plug the male and female connectors into their coordinating plugs on the gas pedal. Here's the module, here's the wiring. You have a male and you have a female. Okay, so what you're going to go ahead and do is disconnect the gas pedal plug. Alright, so you're going to hear it click. There it is. There's a red top. Press that down, make sure it locks in. That's what you need. Alright, now what you just unplugged from the pedal, you need to connect the female portion exactly to it. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this one-handed. Oh, I'm so close. Alright, there it is. Here, click. Boom, there's the click. Alright, so the wires are all good to go. Step 5 complete. 6, make sure cables are tucked in place so they do not affect or endanger your driving. Step 7, route the pedal commander, why do I keep saying that, to where you can access easily. Use the included alcohol wipe to clean the area where you would like to mount the bracket. Apply velcro to the bracket and cleaned area. Step 10, put the pedal commander into bracket and you're done. If you need help, blah blah blah.
Alright, so that was very simple. Alright, so next step, I'm actually going to mount the adapter and the actual module, make sure it is in place and it's not moving. I'm actually going to use the zip ties. It's a little too tight up there to take y'all with me, so I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Alright, yo, so I went ahead and connected the adapter to the actual module. Next step is actually just going to throw on this velcro on the back, okay? And then I already cleaned the spot that I wanted to put it with the alcohol pad that came in this small baggie. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this on one side of the velcro right here. Alright, so I went ahead and attached both sides of the velcro. The one on the module is pretty good. Now I'm actually just going to stick it on the exact position that I want. Alright y'all, so not sure if you can really see how far I really got it up there. It's tucked up under there. I use zip ties to secure it and make sure that it does not impair the, I guess the steering wheel shaft. So all is well, it's secured, good to go.